Hey everyone, welcome back to OpenExploit. I'm Pawan, and today we are diving into a game-changing tool in the world of ethical hacking, SQLMap AI. If you have ever used SQLMap to test for SQL injection vulnerability, this video is going to blow your mind. We are going to see how AI can automate and enhance SQL injection testing like never before. So grab your coffee and let's jump right in. So let's start with the basics. SQLMap AI is an AI-powered wrapper around SQLMap. Think of it like SQLMap with a brain. It doesn't just run tests, it understands the results and takes the next step automatically. Whether you are a beginner in ethical hacking or an experienced pen tester, these tools save times, effort, and help you dig deeper into the target. Here's what makes SQLMap AI special. First, AI assistant injection testing. Second, adaptive scanning based on the target's response. Third, DBMS specific payloads for MySQL, MS SQL, Oracle, Postgres. Fourth, built-in WAF detection and bypass. And finally, all clean and readable output records. So yeah, it's like having a smart assistant who knows how to hack responsibly. All right, let's set it up. First, clone the repository. Second, install the dependencies. Third, clone SQLMap into project folder. Fourth, add your grok API key in .env file. You can get the key at console.grok.com. That's it. You are ready to roll. Let's try it in a real time. To run simple scan, just use python run.py. But for all adaptive mode, this is a real magic. Run python run.py hyphen adaptive. Here's what it does step by step. First, check if the site is vulnerable. Second, identifies the backend database like MySQL or Oracle. Third, if there's WAF, it chooses tamper script. Fourth, extract database names, tables, and even columns. Fifth, test alternative input like post, cookies, and headers. It basically acts like an intelligent hacker. Let's say we scan this vulnerable site testphp.vulnerweb.com. SQLMap AI figures out the cat parameter is injectable. Then it detects MySQL as a backend and start extracting data. It even runs different payloads, Boolean based, error based, time delay, and union based. And just like that, it pulls out database like accurate and table names like usernames, products, and more. A quick but important reminder. Only use SQLMap AI on systems you own or have permissions to test. This tool is for ethical hacking and training. Never scan a live website without proper authorization. It's illegal and unethical. This tool is perfect for students learning web security, bug bounty hunters, penetration testers doing recon and exploitation, and red teamers automating their processes. And of course, educator like me who wants to break complex topics into digestible demons. This is an open source project. You can contribute by improving DVMS support, adding better WAF detection, and even making the interface prettier. Fork it, create a branch, submit a pull request. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to OpenExploit for more practical cybersecurity tutorial. Got a question? Drop it in the comments. I reply to everyone. And until next time, stay safe, stay ethical, and keep hacking the right way.